If you have LearnDash LMS installed on your platform, you'll find a couple of extra options under LearnDash settings on the virtual tutors setup pages. And this allows you to specify the LearnDash groups that virtual tutors appear for. So by default, if you set these up and make them appear on things like posts and pages, they will appear to everyone. However, what you can also do is say that you want it to this to show for selected groups. And you can either say no, show for all groups, or yes, show for selected groups. From here, we can select which groups we want to show the virtual tutor to, and we can select multiple there. And then we can click update. And now only learners in any of these groups will see the virtual tutor. My admin account is in one of those groups, so if I refresh that, I can still see it. But if I was to log in as someone who wasn't in one of those groups, then this virtual tutor wouldn't be available to me. So that's just an extra feature that is available to people who have the LearnDash LMS plugin installed in WordPress.